This is a 2002 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a trailer hitch receiver, a security system, dusk-sensing headlights, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and aluminum wheels. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Aadsen Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 64194 Highway 93 in Ronan.